Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we bring you the latest and greatest in tools and gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the world of chainsaw maintenance with the EzzDoo Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. If you're tired of dull blades slowing you down, this might just be the solution you've been looking for.
let's dive in.
Now, before we jump into the details, let's talk about why the EzzDoo Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit stands out from the rest. With its titanium-plated diamond bits and high-speed sharpening capabilities, it's no wonder this product is making waves in the market.
But what exactly sets it apart? Let's find out. First up, durability.
The titanium-plated diamond wheel in this kit is not only the hardest we've ever seen but also boasts a 20% longer lifetime compared to non-titanium-plated wheels.
Plus, with 4 sizes of sharpening wheels included, you'll be able to tackle any chainsaw chain with ease.
But durability is just the beginning. Ease of use is where this sharpener truly shines.
No chain removal required, no replacement parts needed.
With just 4 simple installation steps, you'll be up and running in no time.
And if you need a little guidance, don't worry, a helpful video is provided to walk you through the process. Now, let's talk speed. This isn't your average chainsaw sharpener.
Thanks to its high power capabilities, even the dullest chains can be sharpened in a matter of minutes. Say goodbye to tedious hand sharpening and hello to efficiency. But speed means nothing without accuracy.
That's where the angle attachment comes in.
With its help, you can achieve professional-level sharpening at the exact angle and depth every time.
No more guesswork, no more uneven edges, just razor-sharp chains ready to tackle any job.
And let's not forget about safety and convenience. This efficient chainsaw sharpener is not only a time saver but also a game changer when it comes to protecting your chains and making your work easier.
Plus, with its exquisite packaging, it makes for the perfect gift for any DIY enthusiast or professional logger in your life. So there you have it, folks. The EzzDoo Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit.
The best electric chainsaw sharpener on the market, hands down.
With its durability, ease of use, speed, accuracy, and safety features.
It's a must-have tool for anyone serious about their chainsaw maintenance.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, happy sharpening. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow us on social media for more product reviews and recommendations.